now we will be interested into the kind of properties that you want to measure the quality of a Pareto set, that we also call the archive. Sometimes it's too costly to compute the exact Pareto set, and because it would be too large. And so we can use some form of heuristic method to approximate it, for instance, using local search. And so it's important to know if you have the right parameters for your local search approach, and if one of the set of parameters is much better than the other one. And therefore, we need to compare correctly two different types of Pareto set for the same problem. If you have multi-objective optimization problem, one possibility is to use what we call the hypervolume of the Pareto set. Okay, the hypervolume is what is defined by this surface. If the hypervolume is very large, that's better, right? So if you find that between two algorithms, one of them obtain a higher hypervolume, then it's better. Another quality that you may be interested in is to have some form of diversification. If you have big gaps here in the middle, that's not very good for the decision maker. You would like the points to be a little bit more spread on the Pareto set. And most often, that's also something that is measured by the hypervolume as well. Okay, so that's also something that you would like to have. So, one metric that you can use is what we call the purity. So if you have two algorithms, A and B, that you want to compare, okay, and the points that you obtain are represented here. So we have 8 points overall in the union of the Pareto sets. Okay, so we will add them all. This is what we get. So we have the points in black that are found by algorithm A. In green, these are the ones that are found by algorithm B only, and the one in pink or in red are the ones that are found both by algorithm A and B. Which algorithm is the best? You take the union of all the points, and then you will remove the points that are dominated. So this one is dominated by the black one, so we remove it. We will say that the purity of algorithm A is 4 divided by 8, and the purity of algorithm B is 6 divided by 8. Okay, and so that's the fraction of the points retrieved by an algorithm in the best known Pareto set, which is the union of the Pareto set obtained by each algorithm. And so the purity is better for algorithm B, and we will conclude that the algorithm B might be preferable if you want to solve that problem.